Kenya represents one of Africa's most well-developed and best regulated insurance markets. The market has currently over 44 underwriters offering various insurance services in life and general insurance. The industry is regulated by Insurance Regulatory Authority of Kenya. AAR Insurance is licensed to offer general insurance products which it distributes through its robust intermediary network comprising of sales agents, brokers and other alternative channels.
AAR is a premier insurance company when it comes to medical insurance products. AAR has been in operation for the last 30 years, celebrating our 30 years in the insurance business. And we could say with a lot of confidence, of course a lot of pride, that the company has done very well in the medical insurance space. If you look at the market share in the companies in Kenya, you'll find that AAR is really number 2 going for number 1 in terms of medical insurance market share.
In order to effectively distribute insurance in the industry, AAR has set up an agency development center christened the Academy, which identifies, recruits and develops high-caliber sales professionals to market and sell company products countrywide.
Our facilities that we have.
How we do our recruitment, which has been very tedious in the industry, it is through adverts. And AAR company has set an AAR recruitment portal. We also get referrals through AAR, HR office, and at times also we get individual application across the country. AAR has the best curriculum in the industry. If you look at the training content that we have, that makes our agency actually do very well, are quite elaborate.
This can only be done by training and equipping agents with necessary skills to succeed in the insurance industry.
The Training and Development Center is an effort by the company to ensure that agents' capacity is improved, that we have new agents coming in, they are well trained. As you are well aware, insurance is quite a technical policy, and therefore a very good training is very important for agents, for members of staff, for anybody who is interacting with the insurance business.
AAR's training equips agents with necessary knowledge such as the company profile, presentation skills, business etiquette, negotiation skills, and the principles of insurance, among other topics.
The department has many distributors, well over 500 business partners that we work with in order to bring in the business, and it's structured into 4 key distribution channels. We do have the in-house agents, we have independent agents, we work with brokers, we also work with banks and other alternative forms of distribution that have come up in the recent years, which would include things like bank assurance, SACCO assurance and online marketing. I think we could say that the agents who have been trained through the academy fit in faster because the AAR culture, then the AAR insurance culture is inculcated in them from the word go. We have seen better quality sales in which result therefore or which can be looked at as having fewer after sales issues or challenges, so to speak. We also see that when these agents now join the mainstream sales force, they are able to adapt faster.
Since inception, the Academy has trained over 250 agents, with 71 being retained by the company.
The people who have helped us grow in the medical insurance business have been mainly the internal distributors. So the internal distributors contribute around 70% of our business overall, and then the independent agents and then brokers and the other channels. So we want to grow to be number 1 in medical insurance through our internal distributors. Since we started training agents, we've seen actually new agents have generated over 100 million of business. And what we are now doing is exposing those new agents to existing clients as a training format to see whether the knowledge they get can help us in retaining those clients.
The aim of the Academy is to produce graduates with a wide knowledge of insurance skills and ability to succeed in the industry. During the 6 months training, at the end of which trainees are awarded with a certificate of insurance, practical skills are emphasized in the first 3 months of the course, and thereafter sales skills and product knowledge.
I can pride myself in public speaking. I have confidence even when I'm approaching a client. Also financially stable. And also I would talk about the personal etiquette part of it. And also the product knowledge about the AAR insurance medical product.
My journey in the academy has been full of experiences. First, when I joined the academy, I was very green. But now I've really mastered a lot on the insurance industry. For instance, when it comes to the steps of sales cycle, the insurance principles and the company's products and the company profile, which helped me out there while pursuing the clients.
Since I joined academy, I've learned a lot of things. I've met new friends. I've also grown as a person in terms of my confidence. And also, I've learned the principles of insurance and how insurance works. I was taught about the cycle, the sales cycle from prospecting to the servicing of the client. And so far, I've followed the processes and I think they're working. So I can't compare myself to somebody who has not gone through the training.
During the practical session, they are supervised by business development manager and they receive a commission for every sale they make.
Basically, my job entails accompanying the new agents for meetings. Once they have identified the potential clients, considering that these are new agents, they are completely green in this field. They have to go through training to acquire knowledge and skills that will enable them secure business. And once they've got the grip of it all, then we release them to another branch, which we call super branch. Difference in terms of the ones who have not been trained or the ones who have not passed through the academy is in terms of the knowledge and the skills. The ones who have gone through training, they are very professional and they take a shorter period to generate revenue. So they stand as the ambassadors of the company, representing the brand, and they do it very well.
AAR's move to establish an academy to train agents to meet the company's needs has also been of great benefit to other players in the industry. We are confident that AAR has greatly contributed to the insurance industry at large through the academy.
I want to thank the team at the academy and specifically their leader, who is Boaz Manoa, for really seizing the opportunity to impact new agents and add value to the organization. I can say, of course, with a lot of confidence that hundreds of agents have passed through the academy in the last 2 years, and that speaks volumes of the kind and quality of work that is happening in the academy. Myself is just to encourage everybody in the company, whether you are an agent, whether you're a member of staff, to embrace a culture of learning and to continuously improve yourself so that you will be able to adapt to the environment, to be able to adapt to the changes in the company, so that you'll be able to progress your career, whichever way you look at it, from an agency perspective or from a members of staff perspective.